Advin Dialysis presents Dialysis On-Off Dressing Kit. Before use, inspect the sterile package and ensure it is intact and undamaged. Open the dressing kit using standard aseptic technique. Carefully remove the kit from the package. Place the kit on a clean and sterile working surface. Arrange all components for easy identification before use. Inspect each component and verify that it is clean, sterile, and free from visible defects. Remove the cotton swabs and gauze pads from the kit. Inspect the dressing materials before clinical application. Arrange the absorbent dressing and additional accessories on the sterile field. Ensure all components required for the dressing procedure are available. Prepare the dressing materials according to your facility's standard operating procedure. Inspect the absorbent dressing and verify its integrity before use. Unfold the sterile drape carefully while maintaining aseptic conditions. Position the sterile drape for the dressing procedure. The Dialysis On-Off Dressing Kit is now ready for clinical use. Following the procedure, dispose of all used components according to biomedical waste guidelines. Advin Dialysis, delivering quality and confidence in dialysis solutions. Advin Health Care, delivering trusted dialysis solutions worldwide.